this is the unboxing of my brand new Emuwings. Look at all the bubble wrap they gave us. Oh, they're bloody heavy.
Do you want to just explain what the Emuwing actually is?
They change out my windows with these, my back windows. The rear windows need a boot, you know, so you can get in the back of your car easily. Wow, beautiful. It's gonna look wicked, eh? Yep, instructions. That's the sealant stuff. Door hinges. There's gas struts. Red piece of silicone. Primer for it. Oh. Oh, this will give me something to do over the weekend, see? Oh, keys come with a bottle opener, that's fun. I wonder if the keys are different for each side. That'll be a little bit annoying if they are, but... There's mounts for them. These are just actually like cupboard hinges. They're just fancy ones with like branding on them. The key works. And that's that. That's the unboxing.